Hey everybody, it's Matt Montgomery with Tee It Up Entrepreneur. Today I want to talk to you about lead funnels. I get this question quite a bit in the Facebook group, and I see it asked around a lot. And it's generally somebody that's new and just starting out. You're wanting to know what exactly is a lead magnet. How can you build an email list, or what can you do to give away something for super valuable to in exchange for somebody's email address, right? Well, I want to go over this thing right here called lead funnels by Russell Brunson. I was in the same exact boat, right? I knew that I had to build an email list. I had my traffic sources and stuff like that, but I was really confused on what to give away for free. What should I build? How can I build out a lead funnel, a lead page, a lead magnet, right? I was really beating my head up against the wall because I just couldn't quite figure out what exactly I should do, or not even sure if I could build something because I wasn't really quite sure how to do it, and I didn't really know a lot of things or have a lot of skill set that I could give somebody. So if you're that kind of person and you maybe feel that you um, you don't have the skill set because you're just starting out and you're not quite sure, maybe you're in affiliate marketing and you don't have a product and you don't have a podcast, you don't have all these things that people are always telling you to give away as lead magnets that can overwhelm you, then going over this process right here with the lead funnels will get rid of all that negative thinking and will just ignite your creativity. And you'll be like, wow, I could do this. And you'll start pumping out lead magnets left and right. So this is something that I purchased in the past. It's super cheap for the unbelievable amount of value that you get for it. I just wanted to give my 2 cents and a quick review on it because I thought maybe it'd help somebody out there that may be struggling with trying to build a lead magnet or figure it out. So let's get into it and just cover this up. So get 106 actual case studies of the world's most successful lead funnels, right? So this is Russell Brunson. He is the creator and the co-founder of ClickFunnels.com, the funnel builder software, right? Along with many other things, .com secret book and things like that. So this is a 106 actual case studies that he put together of other successful companies' funnels and other companies' lead funnels and his own. And as if you know anything about Russell, you know that he does what he calls funnel hacking, where he constantly goes and goes through every successful company and he buys stuff and he goes through their funnels and he hacks them. He takes photos, screenshots, and he sees what's working, and then he compiles all this stuff from successful people making millions and millions of dollars online. So he's definitely somebody that you really want to learn from. Okay, if you're serious about making money online, he's a guy to really pay attention to. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to show you this, because I truly believe in it. So anyways, this bare bonus 2-page funnel generated over 185,372 leads for them. That is freaking insane. Could you imagine getting 185,000 new subscribers on your email list? Can you imagine the amount of money, the amount of power and things you can do with that many eyeballs seeing your offers? Man, I'd kill for that, right? But that number has to start with one subscriber, and then you can go on and you can get 2, 3, and 4. But you got to be able to convert those subscribers, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So here you go, the definitive guide to lead generation. You create a perfect landing page, use 2 and 3 step lead funnels and all that good stuff. So this is his sales letter. I don't want to bore you with a sales letter. I just wanted to kind of point out something really cool, right? All of this stuff that you're going to get in here is only $7. That's it. I mean, it's like probably the cheapest product that you'll ever buy online, right? So I think it's really worth it. I would really, really think it would behoove you to just whip out your credit card right now or sign up through PayPal and just buy this for $7, because I wouldn't even think twice about it, right? You're getting actual case studies. You're getting templates and screenshots and all kinds of stuff to be able to say, hey, if I want to be like this successful company over here, this successful supplement company, or this successful weight loss company, or this successful making money online company, this is what they're doing. This is what they're giving people. This is how they're building their list. you can duplicate their success by going over this exact process and creating very similar things to what they've created, and you can start getting those mass amount of leads on your list, right? So if you're sitting here and you're kind of just pedaling your legs underwater, not really moving anywhere, and you want to gain some serious traction, well, you've got to be able to convert your landing pages to get those high amount of subscribers, right? So just giving away a boring old ebook or something like that, that's kind of played out, right? That's kind of like 5-6 years ago kind of stuff. People have really stepped up their game of giving serious amounts of value away for free now in exchange to build that relationship and get that email, and get that email, and then they market to that person over time. They're really building a connection with them. So that's what you really got to do. And if you don't know where to start, and it can be very terrifying, it can be very frustrating and overwhelming, and I get it, right? Because I was there. I mean, I totally understand. I'd come in, sit in my office, I'd stare at a blank screen, and I'd be like, all right, what am I supposed to create? How, I might have a headline down on one page and go, okay, and then 30 minutes later, I may go get a drink, and I come back and I try to work for 10 more minutes, and I finally just shut the lid on my computer and I go to bed, right? Because I'm so frustrated and I just was not able to do the work. But this right here is something that will allow you to, I told you, just to kind of ignite that creativity. Be like, oh man, I can do this. This is cool. Like, so it's $7, right? It's not like it's the end of the world, but you can really see everything. Let me scroll down here, show you some of the examples that you'll see, some of the stuff when you buy. So here you go. He's kind of telling you it works in real estate, e-com, fitness, right? It works in almost every niche. It works for coaches, franchises, social media, SEO, diet, sports, consultants, health, financial, musicians, cooking, astrology, dentists, supplements, attorneys, newsletters, masterminds, healing, gym owners, beauty agencies, MLMs, traffic, and podcasting. So pretty much any given niche online, this lead gen system will work, right? And you're just going to learn how to build awesome, sexy, beautiful, engaging, converting landing pages. And if that's something that you're interested in, then I would highly recommend you go ahead and grab a copy of Lead Funnels, because you absolutely need it if you're going to start building an email list online. All right, so check it out, guys. I'll put a link down below. Click on it. It'll take you on to this exact page. No surprises. And go through it yourself. Hopefully you love it and you really want to give it a whirl, because I really think it'll benefit you. I mean, I know it benefited me big time in my business. So I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click the link. It'll be in the description. Talk to you guys soon.